Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to 2023 batch InfyTQ Infosys certification examination latest update. This is first video that is related to InfyTQ 2023 batch. Okay, so in this video I am just describing about the latest update for 2023 batch. What is InfyTQ certification examination? Good news for 2022 batch. There is a salary package of 3.658 LPA. Okay, and if you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA or an MCM, and if you are pass out in 2023 year, so you are eligible for this opportunity. There is a very latest and big update from InfyTQ team. Okay, so first of all, let's introduce about myself. I am Lokesh Bagora and I am currently working in Infosys at the role of systems engineer, and I selected through the InfyTQ examination in the 2021 year. And as you can see on my channel, there are so many videos that I made for candidates that is related to 2022 batch. Okay, all round preparation I just made from previous year, and as you can see that there is an InfyTQ Infosys preparation for the 2022 examination, and there are the 76 video that I uploaded on my channel. Okay, and there is one important point. There are 50 plus students that cracked the examination of InfyTQ that is related to DSC SE role in Infosys. Okay, so I am just making videos that is related to 2023 batch InfyTQ preparation videos. Okay, so I am just starting preparation videos soon on channel that is related to 2023 batch. How you can start your preparation. Okay, how to start preparation for InfyTQ certification examination, how you can crack the particular round, how you can crack the interview. Okay, so if you are from 2023 batch, so subscribe the channel because I am just making all the videos. Okay, we have a team of aptitude trainer as well as the technical trainer. Okay, so we will make the video soon. Okay, so what is the important update that I have to discuss in today's video? Okay, so as we all know about that, what do you mean by Infosys certification? Okay, so I am just taking the paintbrush here and I am just explaining about the Infosys certification. Okay, so if you are from 2023 batch, okay, so there is a off campus hiring and there is a on campus hiring. Okay, so the InfyTQ certification examination is off campus hiring, means there is a certificate, means there is a verified certificate from Infosys as well as the placement exam from Infosys. Okay, so this is known as the Infosys certification examination. Okay, they will check your database management knowledge and they will check your programming knowledge, and after if you clear that, so there are the different packages like 3.6, 5 LPA and 8 LPA. Okay, so this is all about the overview of Infosys certification examination. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, Infosys certification is a technology aggregation that ensures your industry readiness and enables you to build a career of your choice. Okay, so on clearing the examination, you will get an option to earn a pre-placement interview opportunity for technical role at Infosys. Okay, for the role of system engineer role and become a Infosys certified software programmer. Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria? They just mention on that. If you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MC or MCM and you are graduating in 2023 year, so you are eligible for this opportunity. Okay, that is related to InfyTQ examination. Okay, so this time examination process is changed. Okay, as you can see on my screen, previous year there is a InfyTQ qualifier round as well as final round. Okay, I just make all the videos that is related to InfyTQ final round and the qualifier round. Okay, so this year there are only two rounds that is related to InfyTQ examination. First is certification round and advantage round. Okay, so what the InfyTQ team just changed this year. Okay, so I am just taking the brush here. Okay, so there are the certification round. Okay, means I just written that there are the certification round and there are advantage round. Okay, previous year there are the qualifying round also in this they are just checking the aptitude skills. Okay, but this year there is no aptitude. Okay, only coding. Okay, only coding plus subject skills. They just mention that they will only check your coding as well as your subject skills. Means this round will assess your in-depth programming and database management skills through objective and hands-on question. You will have option to choose a programming language between Java and Python for this round. Means this is the first round and there are only two languages that are allowed in the certification round, Java and Python. On scoring 65% or more in the certification round, you have to go through the necessary check. You will become to eligible in the advantage round. Okay, this is optional round for those who clear the certification round. Advantage round is a special round. Okay, or there is an advantage in which you have a better opportunity, means the better package, like for the 5 LPA package interview and for the 8 LPA package interview, digital specialist role and specialist programmer. Okay, DSC and specialist programmer. Okay, and if you just cleared this round, okay, so there is a opportunity of system engineer role on clearing 65%. Okay, so you are eligible, means you are becoming an Infosys certified programmer and you are eligible to, means you are eligible to appear in the advantage round. Okay, if you decide to go through the round, you will take a test that will assess your other programming and technical skills. Okay, if you clear this round, you will receive a pre-placement interview opportunity for specialist programmer and digital specialist and become. It will be virtual interview. In case if you do not clear advantage round, okay, means if you just not clear the advantage round, like if you not clear the advantage round or not opt the advantage round, so you have opportunity to appear in the system engineer interview. Okay, system engineer interview, that is for the package of 3.6 LPA. Okay, so this is just related to advantage round. Okay, so what is the steps to take the Infosys certification examination? On this page, soon registration will be start from Infosys team. Soon I will make video that is related to how to start preparation for InfyTQ examination. Okay, so one candidate just send me that is related to this mail: dear professor, greetings from Infosys. We are happy to announce Infosys certification powered by InfyTQ for the batch of 2023. Okay, and they just suggest that, okay, this is not confirmed, this is just I got by some of the candidates. Okay, so kindly note that registration for this year Infosys certification will active from Friday November 26. Okay, we just check the Friday November 26 2021. Okay, so there is a very less time for the 2023 batch. Soon I will make so many videos that is related to your preparation and all about that, and I will make all the videos that is related to your preparation roadmap, pattern, and how you can prepare and how you can crack easily, what is the cutoff. Okay, so if you are from 2023 batch, just subscribe our channel. Okay, and just check the daily playlist. I will make the one new playlist that is related. Okay, and you can just check the first video that is just related how I crack the Infosys certification examination. Okay, how I crack Infosys certification exam and Infosys interview experience. Okay, you can just check my experience. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you are from 2023 batch, okay, please share with your friends as many as possible, because Infosys will conduct this exam soon and you have to prepare very well and crack this first examination. And if you have any doubt, you can direct DM me on Instagram. There is an Instagram ID in the description. Thanks for watching the video and wait for upcoming videos.